3. System roles, 4 different users, expanded 4-minute version. This application has been designed exactly like a real university system. To manage everything smoothly and professionally, the system includes 4 different user roles, each with its own permissions and responsibilities. Let's start with the first and most important one admin. The master controller, the admin, has complete control over the entire system. Think of the admin as the brain of the LMS. Every major decision and every key operation flows through this role. Here's what the admin can do: add new faculty members, create and update courses, define classrooms and labs, manage semesters and sections, generate the full timetable, publish the final timetable for students and teachers, grant permissions to coordinators, edit or delete any data in the system, override any scheduling conflict effect. Basically, the admin holds the highest authority in the system. Every core module, every major update, and every final action goes through the admin dashboard. Let's break this down a bit more. Faculty management admin can add new teachers, set their departments, assign their expertise, and update their availability. If a teacher joins or leaves mid-semester, the admin can immediately update the system and the timetable adjusts accordingly. Course management. Whether it's a new course being introduced or an old one being updated, the admin controls its title, credit, hours assigned, teacher, semester. This ensures course faculty mapping stays accurate. Room and resource setup, admin defines all classrooms, labs, and lecture halls in the system. Each room has capacity type, lab/theory, floor/building availability. This data is crucial for the automatic scheduling engine. Timetable control. This is the admin's most powerful feature. With just one click, the admin generates the entire weekly timetable. And once everything looks good, the admin can publish it for teachers, students, coordinators' permissions. Admins can assign a coordinator for each department and control what that coordinator can or cannot access. Whether it's viewing timetables, editing teacher preferences, or updating course data, the admin decides everything.